Reference materials provide background information on any given topic. There are many types, including encyclopedias, almanacs, dictionaries, etc. Reference materials are written by experts in the field and are a great source for basic information. Many professors don't allow them as sources in a research paper, but they help you better find the sources you do need. Today I'm going to demonstrate one particular general reference encyclopedia database that the library has to offer. We have many reference databases. Some of them are subject specific and some of them are general. I'm going to highlight the general ones we have today because they will be the most helpful. To access this particular database, you're going to go to the library homepage and click on the Databases tab. Once there, you are then going to click on Browse by Discipline. In this list, you will see, if you scroll towards the bottom, a link for Reference, General Encyclopedias and Dictionaries. If we click on this, a new link will pop up or a new tab will pop up, and it highlights 4 different databases the library has access to. In particular, I am going to show you how to use Gale Virtual Reference. When we click on this tab, we are taken to the Advanced Search home screen. You can do a subject guide search if you would like. There is a link up here. Today I'm going to show you just how to do an advanced search. If we search for the topic of social justice in our keyword search, we are then going to click the search bar. You will see 229 different results. You will notice that on the left-hand side, there are different book images that have different titles in them. All of these databases search multiple sources at once. So this particular social justice search pulled up different encyclopedias that have articles referencing social justice. Now you will notice, since we did a keyword search, that the database is pulling up any particular article that has social justice in it. So we have articles that have a title of social justice, but we also have articles such as the, let's find a good one that I can say, community-based action research article that will just reference social justice in it at some point. Let's scroll up and click on our Encyclopedia of Sociology social justice article. When we click on this, we can see we will see the article about social justice published by the Encyclopedia of Sociology. Most of our citation information is located up here, but again, to reiterate, many of your professors will not allow you to use this as a source in your paper. So these articles contain subject-specific or controlled vocabulary about a particular topic. These words or phrases are important to take note of to incorporate information into your future searching. So what you should do, or what is a good practice, is to read over an encyclopedia article on your topic. You are not considered to be an expert before you begin a research paper, so reading some basic information about your topic is particularly helpful. If you read over these, what you can do is take note of different vocabulary, keywords, phrases that are reoccurring, and that you can use later when you're doing some research in other databases for books or online articles.